Dear students, now we will discuss the 4 marks questions of sum of application of the trigonometry. Here the first question is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Yes, there is a tower. Okay, I will take this is a tower. I call this as AB. The angle of elevation from the top of the tower from 2 points. Okay, they have given 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line. Okay, the points, 2 points lying on the same straight line. So I will take a straight line here. So one point is 4 meter away from this tower and another 9 meter away from this tower. The angle of elevation they have given in the same straight line with it are complementary. The angles, the two angles are complementary. The complementary angle means the sum of two angles is always equals to 90 degree. These are called complementary. Okay, then find the height of the tower. Yes, we need to find out the height of the tower AB here. So here I take the angle of elevation and the angle of elevations. These two angles are complementary. So the 2 points are here C and D. Okay, so the sum of two angles is 90 degree means, so here I take one angle is x, then another angle is 90 minus x. Okay, so if you take one angle is x, then another angle here 90 minus x. Okay, these two are complementary angles. Okay, then here we will calculate for the AB. Okay, I call this. Okay, we'll take here in triangle ABC. First you can write down AB is a tower. We need to find out the height of the tower here. Okay, yes, AC is 4 meter and AD is 9 meter. Okay, then here in triangle ABC, here I take this is angle X, this is opposite and this is adjacent. Okay, means we need to take again tan theta here. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Okay, here opposite is how much? AB. Opposite is AB. Adjacent is AC. Okay, tan of theta is how much here? X. Okay, so AB is, we don't know value of AB. AC is how much here? 4. Okay, I call this as equation number 1 because we don't know tan x and AB. Okay, so next in triangle ABD, so here I take this is angle, so this is opposite and this is adjacent. Again tan of, here theta is 90 minus x. Okay, so divided equals to, this is again opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent, here opposite is AB, adjacent is AD. AB by AD. Okay, so here tan of 90 minus x, we know the supplementary angles. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot x. Okay, 90 minus theta is cot theta, that is x is here theta. Okay, so this is cot x. AB we don't know, divided by AD is how much? 9. I call this as equation number 2. Okay, see what we need to do here. From equation 9, from 1 and 2, I just to multiply these two. Okay, so we'll multiply these two. 1 into 2. Okay, and multiplying, multiply LHS to LHS, RHS to RHS. Okay, tan x into cot x is equals to AB by 4 into AB by 9. Okay, now we know that cot x can be written as tan x. Cot x can be written as 1 by tan x. This is the converse or inverse proportion. We know that this one. So here AB into AB is AB square. 9 4 ja 36. Okay, again here what we have? So here tan x get cancelled. Here we have only 1. Okay, that is AB square right here only. So 36 1 ja here 36. What we have here again? AB can be written as square becomes here root 36. Then value of AB is how much? This is 6 meter. This is the height of the tower. The second question is, a tower and a port vertically on the same level ground. Okay, there is a tower and another is pole. Okay, I take this is a pole and this is the tower because tower is bigger. Okay, here it is observed that they are on the vertical on the same ground. Okay, I have taken on same ground. It is observed that the angle of depression of the top and foot of the pole from the top of the tower of height 60 meter. Top of the tower of height 60 meter means this is the height of the tower 60 meter. Yes, here what they have given, it is observed that the angle of depression of top and foot of the pole. Okay, here this is the top of the pole and this is the foot of the pole. Okay, the angle of depression they have given. The angle of the depression means from the top of the tower. From top of the tower, when we see the top and foot of the pole, these are angle of depression. Okay, here from here we have angle here. I just draw this one line. So when we see from this point to foot of the pole, here there is an angle. Okay, so here the angles is 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, so one angle is 30 degree, the another angle is 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole. Okay, here we need to find out the height of the pole. This one, this is AB is pole and CD is what? This is the tower. I call this as point E. So I just write down this is 60 meter. Okay, CD is tower here. Okay, we have tower 60 meter. Then AB is pole. We need to find out this one. Okay, then they have given two angles here. I will calculate for the first BCD because this value we know that. Okay, we need to find out BD. Okay, in triangle BCD, again this is 60 degree opposite by adjacent, that is tan theta, that is theta is here 60 degree, opposite by adjacent, opposite by adjacent, here opposite is CD, adjacent is BD. Okay, tan 60 is how much? Root 3. CD, okay, CD is 60. BD is how much? Yes, we don't know BD. We will find it for the BD. Okay, then here I just send BD here is equals to 60 divided by, this is divided by root 3. Okay, or you can rationalize this one or you can write this one simply, that is this is 320 divided by root 3. 320 is 60. Okay, again 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into 20 divided by root 3. So root 3 is cancelled. We have 20 root 3. Okay, here BD is 20 root 3. Okay, if BD is 20 root 3 means, BD is 20 root 3 means AE is also 20 root 3. Okay, yes, it is also equals to AE. Okay, then we will take another triangle, that is ACE. So in triangle ACE, we have again this is 30 degree, opposite by adjacent, tan theta, that is tan 30 is equals to, opposite is C, adjacent is E. C by A. Okay. Yes, then here tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. C, yes, we don't know value of C. A is how much? We have this is 20 root 3. Okay, then here we have C. C is here. C is, so 20 root 3 divided by, this is root 3. So I just sent 20 root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. Here C is 20. Okay, we have C is 20 meter. Okay, so yes, C is 20 means D is how much? This is 20, this is 40. Okay, yes, D is 60 minus 20. 60 minus 20, it is equals to 40 meter. If D is 40 means AB is also 40. Okay, this is the height of the pole. AB, the height of the pole is how much? This is 40 meter. The third question is the angle of elevation of the top of a building from foot of tower. Okay, there is a building and tower. Okay, I will draw. So this is a building and this is a tower. I call this as building AB and CD is tower. Okay, what they have given? The angle of elevation of the top of the building, this one, from foot of the tower. Okay, from the foot of the tower means this one. The angle of the elevation, top of the building to the foot of the tower. This is how much? 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Okay, then next, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Okay, this is the top of the tower from the foot of the building. Foot of the building, this one. Top of the tower to foot of the building is how much? 60 degree. Then both the tower and building are on the same level. Okay, they are on the same level. And if the height of the tower is 50 meter, the height of the tower they have given 50 meter. Then find the height of the building. Okay, we'll find out the building. Okay, so here AB, it is a height of building. Height of building. So here this is, we need to find out the CD is, this is the tower. So this is, they have given 50 meter. Okay, here we have again two triangles. Okay, in first triangle, I take the first triangle, this one, because the value of CD is given. So I take BCD. In triangle BCD, so this is, in triangle this one, the 60 degree, this is opposite and this is adjacent. Okay, tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Here tan theta, it is 60, opposite is 50 meter, that is CD, and adjacent is BD. Tan theta is 60 degree and equals to, this is CD is 50 divided by BD. So tan 60 is how much? We know that tan 60 is root 3 is equals to 50 by BD. Okay, just write on this one. BD send here. BD is equals to 50. This is becomes divided by root 3. So this is the value of the BD. Okay. So now in another triangle, we have another triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, we have again, this is 30 degree. This is opposite by adjacent. Okay. Then 30 is equals to, opposite is AB, adjacent is BD. AB by BD. Okay, so here tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB by BD is, we know value of BD is how much? This is 50 root 3. So this is 50 by root 3. Okay, I just sign this one here. This is, write down AB here only. Okay, this is 1 by root 3. So this becomes divided by, here it becomes into 50 by root 3. Okay, 150 is 50. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. This is the value of AB. Here AB is how much? 50 by root 3. Or you can cancel this one. Otherwise you can write fraction. So this is the value of AB is nothing but here. This is the building, height of the building. So write down this is in meter.